Welcome to our channel. If you're having trouble with comments not showing up on your Facebook Reels, you're not alone. This issue can be caused by several factors, but don't worry. We've got a few simple fixes to help you get it resolved quickly. Let's dive in. 1. Check your internet connection. A poor or unstable internet connection can prevent comments from loading properly. Solution: make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection is strong. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. If you're on Wi-Fi, move closer to your router to get a better signal. 2. Refresh the Facebook app. Sometimes, the app just needs a quick refresh to load content properly, including comments on Reels. Solution: close the Facebook app completely and reopen it. Scroll down and check the Reel again to see if the comments load. 3. Update the Facebook app. An outdated version of the Facebook app can cause bugs, including issues with comments not showing up. Solution: open the Google Play Store, Android, or Apple App Store, iOS. Search for Facebook and tap Update if an update is available. After updating, check if the comments show up. 4. Check privacy settings. If the privacy settings on the Reel or your account are restrictive, comments might not appear. Solution: ensure that the post's privacy settings allow others to comment. You can check the visibility settings of your Reel to make sure it's set to public. If you're using restricted audience settings, consider changing them to allow more interaction. 5. Clear app cache, Android. Sometimes, cache data can cause issues with loading comments or content on Facebook. Solution: Android. Go to Settings, Apps, Facebook. Tap Storage, and then Clear Cache. Open Facebook again and check if the comments are now visible. Conclusion: if comments on your Facebook Reels aren't showing up, the issue can usually be fixed by checking your internet connection, updating the app, or refreshing the page. You can also check your privacy settings and clear the app's cache if necessary. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and solutions.